So, Jamaica, we at it again. So, you see which part Popcaan have more haters than a free money giveaway? I want to go on around here. Every day Popcaan name in the media. Hey, you see Popcaan I figure all the mineral go wash off some of the bad mind off of that. Hey, we don't love Papi Rasta. No people, big up on yourself. Make sure so you burn up the like. And if you're brand new, subscribe. So this is the vibe. See, you mean to tell me, sir? The police them never want let on skeng on the stage for the peace treaty. What them think did I go on, people? Drop it in the comment section. If you don't love the vibes, we just share forwarded. You know what I mean? And I welcome the Dan to the stage in the most intelligent way without disrespecting anyone. Now, we see which part vershon I burn a fire pan Papi. Light up for that one. People, when you know say over South Jamaica, it have to keep 1,000 by telling us we not draw a sideline over here. So now, what the problem with vershon and Popcaan? This sound personal. You understand? So, all a vibe with the iron. Make the iron know in the comment section. I pick the eye them I pick pan Popcaan right now. Cause of the eye success or something bridging or it's Popcaan the easiest name to mention in a dancehall. Or when an artist want a hype, the closest artist, easiest artist to forward in the eye them mind frame. To build a buzz off a Papi. Now, this Popcaan thing I go too far, Virgin. Big up the eye them. See, I see a sister just use Popcaan to promote a whole song. Probably an album there on the way. So obviously the dancehall industry is leading to use Papi as the billboard for promotion. I can't make up this. Nothing else not happen in a dancehall without being attached to unruly brand. Now, people are gone. This is how worldwide unruly has become for these past years. Papi has been putting in a lot of work and the world love Popcaan. It not rub right with everybody. Light up a fire time. Well, the artist say Popcaan want to be up there, so everybody else say bit. I don't know where I'm going to do, but we don't know me talk about people. I can make sense of this. Whether you want to put yourself in a Popcaan shoes or anyone of that matter right now. Would you want to be the worst? You think say Popcaan are the music and I study him talent and do him thing for all these years. For be second best. You think when Bolt go run to represent this great island who proud of Jamaica, you think Bolt go there to be second best? No. You up to you. If everything you hear about Panama name, you go cling to it and run and hate a man. Virgin, this whole Popcaan thing me feel say right now is just out of control. Is it cause Popcaan does do very well in a music? What's going on? Me no hear no other artists I get bashed like Popcaan. But we can all see Popcaan a lead. Popcaan are one of the biggest international artists right now, where just not fit in right with some a way that we call the door holders, the forefathers. When I want to let go of and know say it's a new generation, new sound. Wagwan people. Is this success thing too much for see Popcaan with? How come an artist never go up on stage and cuss the crowd and say, how come you not give the artist the ratings over me? You need to ask the audience that. You understand? Popcaan have worldwide fans. Some artists don't even have neighborhood fans. So, think about that and ask yourself, you ever see Michael Jackson and mix himself with certain artists? Some artists are happy right now. Say Popcaan are full of vibes with them because him not have to do it. Let's be real. Popcaan are international superstar right now. Stop look on things I say, cause you might know Popcaan. Or you might see Popcaan on too show, or you see him slide past on a motorcycle, you say, oh, no papi. The man a star. Left it make it do it be. The man already a shine, brother. Some man just in them feelings. So, easiest way right now to sell some record. Make up something pan papi name. And every vlogger, I gonna make a big excitement over this situation. Cause a papi name. It are gonna bring in millions and millions of streams on every platform put together. I gonna add up and make millions and millions of streams. All because of everybody worldwide who are papi fan base want to hear what them talk about them artists. I don't necessarily say well, not say true, but people love the artist so much. That's once you put papi name on a content, it become interesting. Them want to know what them say about Popcaan. And the people them a use that to them advantage right now. And I make it best side. So tomorrow, if a dog dead on the road, them gonna see a Popcaan kill him. Them try if you buy a spliff tomorrow. No hot grabber no did it. A Popcaan bite off. Them go downtown. Try if you get a clocks. It sell off. A Popcaan buy them off. Then go up a BMW. One couple bimmer. Them sell off. And really buy them off. When you soon have to give Papi an unruly day in Jamaica. No be surprised. See them just big up Wayne Marshall. Right? And people start vomit. Some people in a disbelief. Well, no. When I have somebody when I can really say is a genuine, worldwide superstar who put in enough work, enough footwork, represent for Jamaica. That's the whole matter of this situation, represent for Jamaica and build Jamaica brand bigger. Right? So, it no matter who are your favorite artist, you understand? The whole thing is to get Jamaica out there. You understand? And Popcaan, great at that at this point. I realize something what we don't see. We don't realize so everything Popcaan do become like a trend. It's like everything the youth say, the youth them run with it and it become trendy. Between Popcaan, Chiching, I don't know who have the most style, like trendy style, but them virgin there. And the next virgin, quick cook. The man them slang and style catering in a dance the way them deal with them thing. No normal. So big up them three virgin there. Chiching, quick cook and Popcaan. The man them set the slang and style to a limit where worldwide people cling on to things and use it in their day-to-day life and don't even know where that pattern they forward from, how it forward, who are the originator, cause it just shot and everybody has said that I must legend virgin. So big up my people them. People make sure so you smash the like, share the content in our South Jamaica, you know. Make we get back in the drama now. You don't know, say. We can't make this thing boring. So yes or no. We see Queenie. I don't know, say me did have to forward and talk about that thing. People, I don't know if this is hilarious. I don't know if yo, I'm on forward and tell Foota say yo, nobody do not show a UK here. Cause we don't want Queenie forward and go pull their ear, sir. We don't allow Queenie Virgin. We don't allow Queenie Rasta. We're not gonna make Queenie Earth one on, you know, Bridget. And we don't want to see Queenie Earth herself or Earth one of the item, you know. You see it? No. This whole Queenie and Foota hype beef I get out of control. No. It even a spill over into death threats. Now, while some might just laugh, then you're going to have another set of people that say, well, death threat or death threat. But people, don't worry on yourself. This is entertainment at the finest. It not get no nicer than this. No. Queenie said she did have some complication, some accident thing go on, and they might try to use it against her, which can't condone that still, you understand? But then again, me can't tell people what to say about a person, especially when you're in a person in a situation. You don't know, a person now go think of the kindest thing if you expose about you, or if you even think of you. You have to know that. So, while Queenie I do her thing, and I dish out her thing, it's like a next person I say, her. But that one they really get the Queenie still, that's it. So, people, in a situation like that, you just have to pray for Queenie, man. Big up Queenie. No. We see which part Sizzla just drop a song out to burn up the street. And I'm going to see how real it is. If that song then reach 20K by a morning, we don't want to hear the item say nothing more here, sir. Because every day, the man them a say, no good music nah drop, no good music nah drop. So we just sell out Bounty Killer. Please no sell out Dada. Make sure say we no forward anyway Dada music there and go support that virgin. You see it? Yeah man. Jamaica need Dada. You see it? And the world love Dada. So bless up Dada. Keep their things Sizzla. Kalanji. Yeah. Now people, this is more to know. See, that's why they may address the situation, right? Can't make up this. Can't make up this. Now me just tell you say, Bounty Killer. Top. General. Are the baddest dancer. Enough of them boy I can dance like Bounty Killer. Alright. We're gonna leave that for the next episode. I don't think them ready for it. People are say in a dancing competition it Beenie Man and Bounty Killer who are the wickeder dancer. Then you have a next set of people that say, oh, Killer no feel no dancing thing in a virgin. So Jamaica, we have so many. We got that great channel there. I want to make sure I tell you this again. Share the channel, people. Pick up on yourself and subscribe. Remember, you know, a phone channel, you know, I saw Jamaica in our world, you know. Subscribe, man, a phone channel, man. I'm going to burn down the road. Now, people, a long time now, we don't really see profit job. You know what I mean? Some of that. Yeah, so profit. We are asked right now. Sizzla just drop some music and thing. For the man come purify the place. Because a big thing are going on. And since them love say, no conscious music now forward. Need a man like Lucian and Prophet. Richie. Tell Richie if you drop a bad song. And the man them if you do them thing, brethren. Turbulence. Anthony B. Where the man them a deal with. At time, you know. You see how much things are going, confusion. And people need something to turn to. So me I ask the them. Drop some purification, you see me? Yeah. And so Jamaica, I can always promote that, man. Yeah, man. Need to purify the world a little bit, man. Too corrupt, man. Need some cleansing, you know? Yeah, man. Purge the world with some great music. That's it, there. Big up on yourself.